Introduction. If you're looking to get your life back on track, then Atomic Habits offers an easy framework for improving your life every day. James Clear, one of the world's leading experts on habit formation, reveals strategies to help you form good habits and break the bad ones. You'll also learn to recognize how tiny daily habits can have an incredible impact on your life and your future. If you find that you struggle to change your habits, the problem isn't you, but your system. You see, your brain is wired to complete activities that are both easy and provide immediate gratification. Luckily, James Clear provides a proven system that will help you change your habits and take your life to new heights. Through this book, you will learn how to make time for new habits, overcome a lack of motivation and willpower, design your environment to make success easier, and learn how tracking your habits and finding an accountability partner will help you succeed. Chapter 1. Why small habits can make a big difference. When it comes to success, many people are focused on the wrong thing. They focus on the end goal versus the journey it takes to get there, and believe big decisions will get them to their final destination. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, 1% of improvement each day means that you will be 37 times better than you once were. But if you decline 1% a day, you will decline nearly to zero. In other words, it's the small habits that matter and that make the biggest difference. For example, a plane traveling from Los Angeles to New York requires a specific degree of direction to get to its final destination. Imagine if the pilot adjusted its course just 3.5 degrees south. This may look like nothing to the average observer. The adjustment is so small, many people wouldn't even notice. Of course, upon landing, the passengers would notice a big difference. That small course adjustment would change their final destination from New York to Washington, D.C. We don't typically notice tiny changes because the impact is not seen immediately. The impact may not be seen for months or even years, but the results can be enormous. For instance, eating a slice of pizza certainly won't make you unhealthy. However, if you eat a slice of pizza every night for dinner, then you'll likely see a change in weight over the course of a year. Similarly, taking a 30-minute yoga class one day won't immediately make you in shape. Instead, it's small habits over time that compound into major results. Results in life are a measure of habits. The net worth of a person is simply a measure of their financial habits. Similarly, a person's health is a measure of their daily habits of diet, exercise. Time magnifies the margin between success and failure, which is why our daily choices have a greater impact than we realize. If you want to predict where you'll end up in life, then simply follow the curve of your daily choices. Bad habits can affect us just as easily as a good habit can build us up. This is why it's important to understand how you can design your daily habits to your advantage. The key is to make tiny changes to your behavior, which when repeated over and over, will become habits that lead to big results.